How comes the days with more volume are to the downside or ranging? And still yeah, ranging, kind of ranging market. We've been for the past weeks. Okay. Earnings. Do we have any important earnings? I guess no. Nothing important. Nothing important. Hey, Target, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, man?
Here, talking about what we have this week. Yeah, we had these PPI earnings. Sorry, PPI detail.
Yeah, seems pretty bullish so far. I think we're gonna get some good push today.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the options saying?
I just opened. Give me 1 second to look into it. Well, options don't update until the market opens because you can't trade options pre-market.
Okay. Pushing up. That's a good sign. Dollar, dollar going up. Well, we had the push up. Well, we have a target. It says there's a red target that President Trump could speak later on.
Oh, really? What time is that?
Apparently, it's tentative. It could come out anytime.
I see. Okay.
He likes talking a lot.
Yep. Hopefully it'll be good.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, next week looks more quiet.
Yeah.
More of a quiet week.
Yeah. I'm currently just watching QQQ and Google because I'm holding swings on that.
Oh yeah, let's see the Magnificent Seven. Nvidia pre-market.
Oh, it's just updating.
Oh, we already open. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Just open. Okay, push up. I'm going to watch the market profile and volume profile. Okay, market profile, volume profile. I'm going to show the window here. Yesterday, wiki walk, week to down.
What did you call it?
Wiki walk. Yeah, it pushed down and then all up and ended up at the same level as opening, more or less, a bit lower. Yeah, all the volume is on the upside. So we open in just above yesterday value area high. So if it holds here, that's a very good sign. Could be opportunities to go if it holds here, this area. It looks quite bullish. Let's see. Tick chart saying here. Let's go back to the other window. Bonds keeping it up there. Crude also looks 70. What was crude?
QQQ pushing. We actually had a beautiful bull flag on the 5-minute pre-market. That was nice.
You got a trade on the pre-market, you said?
No, I'm just looking at QQQ. I didn't trade it.
We had a similar one on ES, and because there was news at like 8:30.
Yeah, did he trade after or before the news?
I trade after, and I got the good bullish move.
Nice.
Kasper is asking, what's the price target on Google?
Oh, and
On that chat here.
yeah, I was
I
looking
have
at
it
that.
open yet
I see.
today.
I'm just targeting yesterday's highs on Google or pre-market highs. I have a limit order at 2.5. But anything above 186.4, I'll probably slowly start scaling out, depending on the price action. But I had my limit order at 2.5 from yesterday. I think it was in the screenshot I posted yesterday too.
Okay. Not holding. Going down.
Might be a good chance to buy. Excuse me.
Oh wow, what a rejection! That's crazy.
Okay, we're missing the move here.
Oh my god. Crossed my whole FVG. Rip. It was 1 minute, 5 minutes still holding.
Nah, it's too early for me to take any trades. There's not enough data. But we did just sweep that 5 minute there. Let's see if this holds. But if this 15-minute closes like this, that's quite bearish. Give it 5 more minutes. Let's see.
I went a bit too early.
Yeah, I'm hoping we cross view up and go to the upside. Just rejecting it.
Hey, morning, baby. Yeah, 9:40.
Should have held. I'm so pussy.
What are you trading?
Yes.
Ah,
When you have the right thesis, but you chicken out.
yeah. Have you tried just doing micros and just like scaling in? Or are you doing minis right now?
Still micros.
What's your position sizing on ES?
Of what? 7 contracts?
Are you getting filled like in one order, or are you like scaling in?
What do you mean by that?
Like, are you just placing an order for 7 contracts, or are you like doing 2 to 3 until you hit 7?
I think I'm just doing the 7 straight.
Well, if you scale in slowly, you can get like better opportunities to buy and scale out.
How would
Like
that
it's
work?
if you're targeting liquidity on the 1 minute or 5 minute, you can put a limit order on each one of those targets and slowly scale into position and scale out. So for you, you're doing 7 contracts, so you can do like 2 to 3 on each one of those.
Okay. I get it in theory, but how would that work in like practice? How do you actually scale out? Do you instead of market, do you select limit?
No,
What's the
that's not what I mean. I just mean like, instead of doing the full 7 contracts at once, you just do 2 contracts at a time until you hit whatever position you want.
right?
So there's a good dip opportunity you want, right? But sometimes you can keep going lower. Instead of buying all 7 at once, like a 1 minute candle, it will take you like maybe 10, 15 minutes to slowly keep buying. And that way you get a much
Yeah,
better entry price.
fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, I might try that.
Yeah, Piper, you see anything? I still think NQ can push higher. See,
Yeah,
we have some huge resistance here, but I just feel like they're not gonna just leave it here unless we, because that 15 minute also closed kind of bullish. So I guess it depends on the next 15 minutes how we close.
Well, the 15-minute for me on S&P looks very undecisive.
Yeah,
If
for
that's
now, yeah.
the,
So I'm gonna give
yeah,
it one or two more candles to see which direction it's gonna take.
I guess I'm going to stop if it goes above previous day open. I just leave it as a loss. Why I just open at the lows there.
Oh, you did?
Uh,
Nice.
yeah, no, I opened at the lows, but on a short, and I just hold in the loss at the moment.
Oh,
Yeah, it wasn't a great move, but
I mean, this 15 minute can reject, so you can, this can be a good position for you.
yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. If it doesn't go above here, maybe I'm right on the bigger move.
But I don't know, just the way we opened, I feel like we're gonna keep going higher.
What's this rejection, bro? Oh, shit just came out of nowhere.
Now there is a lot of resistance up here. When the price came up to this area, a lot of selling volume came in. Someone's trying to hold here.
Like actively rejecting 5 minute. Yeah, so I like to see. Bruh. I got 500 again. Let's see. Crosses 5 minute low. Looking to sell.
Yeah, Piper, the way that 15 minute closed, I think we're gonna be bullish for the rest of the day now, or at least for another hour or two.
Yeah, I did close my short on a loss.
Yeah, that's why I like to wait at least 30 minutes after market opens, just to give us some structure.
Yeah, I usually do. I just precipitated today.
It's all right.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, so I think on the Qs, as long as we hold above like 530.5, we're gonna run the highs. And I see some bullish exposure on SPY as well. All right, it's still looking good. Wow. Did anyone on the call hold AMD from yesterday? I had this in my swing account, dude. This shit like tripled, I think. I wish I got this on a challenge account. That's insane. I don't like the 30-minute close on Google. For anyone holding the calls, we just need this 15-minute to close above the previous 15-minute candle. So I'm gonna give this like 15, 30 minutes. And then we should run the highs, I would expect. And then target yesterday's high as well. I'm gonna give this 15 minutes and I'll come back to it. All right, I'm gonna make breakfast. I'll be right back.
And this area has to hold if we want more bullishness.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back. You lost a bit of a move here.
I did, yeah. Ooh, that was a nice retest on the 5-minute.
Well, it's wiki wacky today.
Yeah. I mean, earlier before this 15-minute open, I said as long as we hold above 530.50, and we did. We wicked below it, but we never closed below it. So this was also another bullish signal.
Sorry, keep going down. I mean, down, down.
I mean, some good trade opportunities. I still like Google on the daily, but this 15-minute, not so much. I'm gonna give this another 15-minute candle, then I'll come back to it. I might buy Microsoft on my long term. This is some good support here.
Was there a news on the Trump tariffs that it's postponed to April 1st? Or it was just April Fool's prank?
I'm not sure. I know he is speaking today, though, apparently.
I just saw someone on X saying that CNN reported that the tariffs has been delayed to April 1st. And April 1st gives me an idea that it's a prank, but I just want to put it out.
On what platform you said?
X, I mean Twitter.
Oh, okay, yeah. Feel free to post a link. I'll take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm posting it.
Thanks. We're taking the highs, Piper. You see that? On NQ. We're taking it right now. I don't think we're going to stop here, I think. We're going to target this order block here in the 50% range, I would say. So on QQQ,
You said we are at the top?
we took out the highs for this week. And now we're pushing above. We're at an order block. Yeah, it's going through. I see another dollar on QQQ. Or maybe like at least 50 cents.
Okay.
When I say QQQ, it's NQ on futures. We're trading that.
Oh, you guys trade futures, okay.
Well, I do both. Futures in my prop firms and then options for SPY and QQQ.
I see.
I mean, I do like Apple here, but we could be at some temporary resistance on a daily. I don't like chasing this high, especially since we had a trade like 7 points lower a few days ago. But this would probably be a nice day trade if we get a retracement here. Yeah, for a day trade, I'll probably take this. I'll give this maybe another 30 minutes to see the structure reforms. All right, Google, as long as it's
I don't
15
even
minute
know.
holds, we should target the highs. So I'll come back to this in 7 minutes. If you guys watched yesterday's stream, I talked a little bit about manipulation. I think it was on SPY or QQQ, but same thing happened with Google today. Look like we had trendline liquidity here on the 1 minute, and then we just dropped hard. And then we trapped shorts, had a change of structure, retested, and now we're back up here. So as long as this holds this area in the fair value gap, we should target yesterday's high. Everyone that shorted here is stuck now.
Do you guys have any opinion on Tesla? Since it's been down for so long?
Are you walking around, Toby?
Yeah, that was a good call on the bullish. This is probably gonna go much higher, but well, I made my bread. I think.
That's good, man. Small gains adds up. That's my
Yeah.
motto.
All right, y'all have a good one.
All right, you too. Take care. Piper, you watching anything? The sentiment for SPY is still bullish.
Yeah, but I don't know. I had another ideas in my head and stopped me from trading.
You got the whispers?
Yeah.
The devil whispers. Yeah, I want to see how we target the weekly highs, which we're very close to now. This may be a good day trade for a short, but the sentiment overall is still bullish. Especially with Trump speaking later, I have no idea what's going to happen now.
Yeah, so it did hold that area where he was talking about 680, what was it, 689? And yeah, I just keep growing up.
Yeah.
But I took a big loss at the beginning, and it hurt me a bit.
I see. Mind me asking, why did you take that short?
I anticipated. I was thinking of a rejection of this area of the 80 high 80s rejection. I saw a lot of volume there, and I said, okay, if it holds above here, it will go bullish. And I thought this big movement at the beginning was a rejection of it.
I see. I mean, that's fair. Do you do skilling at all? Because like I feel like that was too much speculation. I would have taken a small position and then possibly added.
Oh yeah, I just took one contract. No, nothing big.
Oh,
Just
okay. On NQ, right?
no, on S&P S&P.
When you say that, are you trading the futures or the underlying stock?
Yeah, on futures and trading futures.
Got it. Okay. So that's the SPX, right?
S&P, yeah, ES.
Oh, I see. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone still holding that Google call, by the way? I'm still targeting the high from yesterday, but on the 15-minute, we do have 2 liquidity points, which we just took one out, and the next one's a daily high. So if you want, you can slowly start scaling out here, but I'm holding till the high. Also, if you notice, earlier I said as long as this fair value gap holds, we literally tested it and just reversed instantly. Honestly, that's why I like day trading. It's so much better than swing trading. You can instantly get reversals and just take your 10% gain and leave. All right, take care. Was anyone watching the level 2 on Google? It was literally at 2.5 and I wouldn't get freaking filled. So I sold between 2.3 and 2.4. So mainly just order blocks and fair value gaps. That's what I trade based on. And then for futures, I use the sessions, New York, London, and Asia, and then VWAP. That's for the 5-minute. And for higher time frames, this one just marks out like the change of character and break of structure. Change of character is like when we have a candle that closes above the prior swing high. And this one's just called, it's by Lux Algo, Smart Money Concepts.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so mainly just order box and fair value gaps, but I don't rely too heavily on them. It's just there to pretty much mark areas. I usually like creating them on my
Yep.
own, like the fair value gaps. All right, let's look for the next trade. What are you guys watching?
I've got a short for BBAI. Expecting a reversion.
BBAI. Big Bear Inc. Oh no, this is too small for options. I usually don't trade anything like below like 40 bucks, just because I trade mainly options.
Yep.
But that's good trade, man. Good job. Yeah, I think for the next swing trade too. One thing about Google is the volume on options is so low. Like yesterday it took me forever to get filled, and today it did not get me filled 2.5, even though it was showing up on level 2 as the next order. So I'll remain trading low volume options for swinging. So the Qs just broke the weekly's highs and we're holding slightly above it. This can either be a great short opportunity right here, or we may just ignore this and rally up. I would short this, but if Trump is speaking today, that can change everything. I don't know what he's going to say or what's going to happen. But if it wasn't for Trump speaking, I would have taken this short. I feel like we would have stopped out traders here. If you do take a short, just do like a small position. A lot of puts are being picked up here. We have now more puts than calls on SPY. Like I said, I really would take this as a short, but I don't know. Anytime there's news or someone speaking, it's kind of unpredictable. But just based on technicals, I would have taken the short. Jukes, I kind of explained a little bit earlier, but basically I trade on liquidity sweeps and market structure shift. So right now we're sweeping the highs on the weekly, and if you go in a low time frame like 15-minute or 5-minute, once we get like a bearish closure, that can signal a reversal. We haven't gotten one yet, so I'm kind of speculating here. But we're above this weekly high, and we barely moved above it, and now we're just ranging. So I think this is manipulation right here. And then based on the net drift on options, we're getting more puts flowing in than calls.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah, I will be around here. I'll do what I can.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. Yeah.
All right, all right.
We see. Are you going to stream tomorrow?
Me, yeah, tomorrow I can.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna be traveling Saturday and we'll be gone for like a few days.
Okay. Yeah. We see us tomorrow then.
All right, take care, man.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, I think I'm done for the day. I didn't call on voice, but I just played some AMD calls. If you guys caught that on chat, literally caught the bottom right here in 113 calls. All right, I'm gonna take a break. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Take care.